Hello, this is the end result.
No!
Ah, shut the fuck up.
Nou, ik ga...
Oh my god, my computer, this computer is slow. Just
Doe je?
fall. I'm sorry. That was a guy going away. Yeah, this is the end result, and I'm messing around with my friend, a stupid fag from my from school. So yeah, Timsky13. I am not Timsky13. You can hear it my voice, but we're doing Naughty Duo commentary. Timsky13, say something.
Hey, how it's going? He's a fact.
Yeah, I'm sorry. He's I'm 1 year older, so yeah, I'm 11. I do got a YouTube channel, Big Wild Affection. Yeah, this is gonna to be uploaded on Timsky13. So yeah, yeah, as you guys maybe will know, Timsky13 does some Minecraft How to Survive, and yeah, this is going to be uploaded on Timsky13, so you may well know that he is making How to Survival. Yeah, I'm 11. Yes, I'm 11. Yeah. Maybe hear some music. It is from Call of Duty, Black Ops, some zombies. Yeah, we're gonna maybe do some split screen on Black Ops or on Modern Warfare 2. I know it sucks about the PlayStation Network. Yeah. And I'm going to tell something in Dutch, so you guys maybe will don't know what I'm saying. Ja, als je nu luistert, ga geen hate comments plaatsen, want ja, dan val je gewoon fucking hard. Yeah, I'm sorry I said that. I know you guys don't understand what I was saying, so yeah. I'm going to jump and let my friend fall. What the fuck? Ooh! Yeah. This is the end result. We built it with two guys. It was with Timsky13, and Timsky13 is sitting pretty funny behind his laptop. So yeah. Yeah.
This was the end result. So if you guys want more, please put it in the comments.
Yeah. I will put my channel, or Timsky13 will put my channel in the description so you can subscribe me. I do make Minecraft videos, but without commentary because my headset is pretty fucked up. Yeah. I was playing some Call of Duty, and I was something like 3 kills away from my tactical nuke, and I just get killed. So I threw my headset in through the wall, so yeah. That was not funny. So I was pretty mad, and I threw my headset through the wall. So yeah, that was not funny. But he's pretty laughing. It is pretty good. So yeah. Yeah.
Kom even hierboven en laat even de andere weg zien.
See you later. Oh, yeah.
Heb je gestopt?
No. Here we can see some other stupid things. Yeah. Bye.